Assalamualaikum, let me introduce myself. My name is Hakam Habib Firdaus. I will explain an English project about computers and hardware. What is computer? A computer is a programmable electronic device capable of performing various operations with data, including arithmetic, logical, and input-output tasks, based on instructions given to it in a form that I can interpret. Computer can range from small personal devices like smartphone and tablet to large mainframe systems. They consist of hardware components like processor, memory, storage device, input, output device, such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, and software components like operating system and application. Computers are used for a wide range of purposes, including communication, data processing, entertainment, education, and much more. Hardware components are further divided into three groups: 1. Input device, 2. Output device, 3. System unit. What is input device? Input devices are hardware components that allow users to provide data and commands to a computer or electronic device. This device enable users to interact with and control the system by entering information or instructions. Some common examples of input device include: 2. What is output device? Output devices are hardware components that display or present information processed by a computer or electronic device to the user in a human-readable form. This device receives data from the computer system and convert it into a format that can be perceived by humans. Some common examples of output device include: 3. What is system unit? The system unit is the main component of a computer that has many of its essential parts. It is sometimes referred to as the tower, case, or cases. Inside the system unit, you'll find various hardware components that are crucial for the computer operation. Here are some of the key parts typically found within the system unit. Example: input device. Keyboard. A keyboard is a primary input device that allows users to input alphanumeric characters, symbols, and commands by pressing keys. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that allows users to move a cursor on the screen, select items, and interact with graphical interface GUI by clicking buttons or scrolling wheels. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a display device that can detect and respond to touch input, allowing users to interact directly with the screen using their finger or stylus. Example: output device. Monitor display. A monitor or display screen is one of the most common output devices. It visually presents text, image, video, and graphical user interface GUI generated by the computer's graphic processing unit GPU. Speaker. Speaker produce audio output, allowing users to hear sound, music, voice recording, or other auditory information generated by the computer sound card of audio processing unit. Printer produce hard of digital document, image, or graphics on paper on other physical media. They come in various types, including inkjet printers, laser printers, and dot matrix printers. Example: system unit. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that holds and connects the CPU, central processing unit, memory modules, expansion slots, and other essential components. It serves as the central hub for communication between different parts of the computer. Central processing unit, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculation. It often referred to as the processor and is mounted directly onto the motherboard. Memory RAM. Random access memory RAM is temporary storage that the CPU uses to hold data and instructions while it actively processing them. RAM modules and are installed on the motherboard and provide quick access to data needed by the CPU. Thank you for the explanation of the English project from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.